You are a living paradox, a walking universe. Inside your body, there are more microorganisms than stars in the Milky Way. Your brain generates enough electricity to power a light bulb. Your DNA, if stretched, would reach the sun and back dozens of times. And yet, for all the complexity within you, you are just a tiny speck in a cosmos that is expanding faster than we can comprehend. Today, we're going on a journey from the microscopic to the infinite. We're uncovering 5 mind-blowing facts about the human body and the universe that will forever change how you see yourself and the world around you. These are not just facts, they are doorways to wonder. They are invitations to rethink everything you thought you knew about existence. Prepare yourself, because the truth about your body and the cosmos is far stranger, more beautiful, and more humbling than you ever imagined. Secret number 1. Your brain is the most complex object in the known universe. The human brain contains approximately 86 billion neurons. Each neuron forms thousands of connections, creating over 100 trillion synapses, more than the number of stars in the observable universe. But here's the secret. The brain is not just a collection of cells. It is a dynamic, ever-changing network that rewires itself every second of every day. This is called neuroplasticity. Every thought, every memory, every skill you learn physically alters the structure of your brain. The secret is that you are not a fixed entity, you are a work in progress. Your brain is constantly being reshaped by your experiences, your environment, and even your diet. But the most mind-blowing part is this. Scientists still don't fully understand how consciousness emerges from this network. We know that electrical impulses travel along neurons at speeds of up to 400 kilometers per hour. We know that the brain generates about 20 watts of power, enough to light a dim bulb. But how does a collection of cells produce the feeling of being alive, the sense of self, the experience of seeing a sunset or falling in love? The secret is that consciousness is the greatest mystery in science. Your brain is not just a machine, it is a universe in its own right. And as we look deeper into its workings, we realize that the gap between brain and mind is still a vast, unexplored frontier. Some neuroscientists believe that consciousness may be an emergent property of the brain's complexity, while others argue that it could be something more fundamental, possibly even a fundamental property of the universe itself. The secret is that we are only beginning to scratch the surface of understanding what it means to be aware, to think, and to exist. Secret number 2. Your body is a walking ecosystem. Most people think of themselves as a single organism, but the truth is far stranger. Your body is home to trillions of microorganisms, bacteria, viruses, fungi, and archaea that outnumber your own cells by about 10 to 1. These microbes live on your skin, in your gut, in your mouth, and even inside your organs. The secret is that you are not just a human, you are a superorganism, a complex ecosystem of species working together in ways we are only beginning to understand. Your gut microbiome, for example, plays a crucial role in digestion, immunity, and even mood. Scientists have found that the bacteria in your intestines produce neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, directly influencing your mental state. The secret is that your microbiome is so important that some researchers call it your second brain. And here's the twist. Your microbiome is unique to you. No two people have the same collection of microbes. This microbial fingerprint influences everything from your weight to your risk of disease. The secret is that you are never truly alone. You carry a universe of life within you, and your health depends on maintaining a balance between these species. It's a delicate dance that we are only just beginning to understand. The Human Microbiome Project has revealed that these microbes are not just passive passengers. They actively communicate with your immune system, influence your metabolism, and even affect your behavior. The secret is that we are not just individuals, we are communities. Secret number 3. Human evolution is still happening right now. We often think of evolution as something that happened in the distant past, a process that shaped our ancestors millions of years ago. But the secret is that evolution is an ongoing, continuous process. Humans are still evolving, and we are doing so faster than ever before. For example, lactose tolerance, the ability to digest milk into adulthood, evolved in some human populations only about 10,000 years ago, after the domestication of cattle. And today, scientists have identified dozens of genes that are still under active selection in different populations around the world. The secret is that our environment is constantly shaping our genetic makeup. As we face new challenges, from climate change to emerging diseases, our genes are adapting in real time. But here's the twist. Evolution is not just about survival. It's also about cultural change. The tools we build, the medicines we develop, and even the diets we choose all influence the direction of our evolution. The secret is that we are not just passengers in the process of evolution, we are active participants. And the future of our species will be shaped by the choices we make today. For example, the rise of agriculture, the Industrial Revolution, and the development of modern medicine have all left genetic marks on our species. The secret is that evolution is not a thing of the past. It is happening right now in every generation. Secret number 4. Climate change is reshaping the planet faster than ever before. We've all heard about global warming, rising sea levels, and extreme weather events. But the secret is that the pace of change is accelerating at a rate that is unprecedented in Earth's history. The last time the planet experienced a temperature increase this rapid was at the end of the last ice age, about 10,000 years ago, and that change happened over centuries, not decades. Today, we are releasing carbon dioxide into the atmosphere at a rate that is 10 times faster than any natural warming event in the geological record. The secret is that the Arctic is warming twice as fast as the global average, and permafrost is melting, releasing huge amounts of methane, a greenhouse gas 25 times more potent than CO2. This creates a feedback loop that accelerates warming even further. But here's the twist. While the consequences are dire, we also have more tools than ever to mitigate the damage. Renewable energy, carbon capture, and reforestation are advancing rapidly. The secret is that the future of our planet depends on the choices we make in the next decade. We have the power to change course, but we must act now. The secret is that climate change is not just an environmental issue. It is a social, economic, and moral issue that affects every living being on Earth. Secret number 5. Wormholes could make time travel possible. The universe is vast, and the speed of light is a limiting factor. But what if there were shortcuts? Wormholes, also known as Einstein-Rosen bridges, are theoretical passages through space-time that could connect two distant points in the universe. The secret is that wormholes are not just science fiction. They're a legitimate prediction of Einstein's general theory of relativity. If they exist, they could allow us to travel across light years in an instant, or even travel backwards in time. But here's the twist. Wormholes are extremely unstable. They would collapse almost instantly unless held open by exotic matter, a form of matter with negative energy density that we have not yet discovered. The secret is that the universe might be full of wormholes, but we have no idea how to detect or create them. They remain one of the most tantalizing mysteries in physics, a doorway to possibilities that defy our current understanding of space and time. Some physicists believe that wormholes could be the key to interstellar travel, while others think they may be fundamentally impossible. The secret is that the universe is full of possibilities that we have not yet even imagined. These 5 secrets reveal the breathtaking complexity of existence, from the microscopic world inside your body to the vast expanse of the cosmos. You are a walking ecosystem, a product of ongoing evolution, a consciousness that defies explanation. And you live on a planet that is both fragile and resilient, in a universe that is full of mysteries waiting to be unlocked. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the wonders of science, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. We have more mind-blowing facts waiting for you. And if you want to support us, check the link below. Special thanks to our supporters. This video is possible because of amazing people like Sarah J. from London, Mike R. from Texas, Emma W. from Australia, Carlos M. from Spain, and Alex K. from Canada. You guys are the reason we keep uncovering the secrets of the universe. If you want to join this awesome community, check the link in the description to support Science Snack on Ko-Fi. Every contribution, big or small, helps us create more content for you. Thank you.